Guys, welcome to my channel. So first come to gigabyte.com. You can see here www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see here is search icon, so click on, then type your model number which is you using Z790 AORUS Extreme X, then hit enter. Then click to product. So this is we are used motherboard. Then guys click to support. Then you can see select your operating system which is you using. If you are use Windows 10, so no worry, you can install that. You follow this video. Installations process same. Chipset driver. So this one click to download. Then okay, and then close it. Then this one Intel serial OS driver, click to download. It is done and close it.